detergent. We have 2 bowls here, and we use the dish detergent on 1 bowl, and then we test another one with plain water. 1 pump of dish detergent, just 1 pump, like that. And then we put plain water, just tap water, about half bowl. Okay, just nothing, plain water. Our ATOMY'S detergent contains natural ingredients, so we can use it to wash our fruit and vegetable. So now we wash the grapes. You can see the grapes with all the white thing. Now we try it. Ooh. All the white color thing. And then we put the grape in there for 30 seconds. Another one with the plain water. Don't soak them more than 5 minutes.
Only need 30 seconds.
Yeah. This is ATOMY'S one, and this is normal water. You can see what's the difference.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, look at the ATOMY'S one. This one is the ATOMY'S one. So clean.
Yes.
Let's
Wow.
rinse with the water.
Okay.
Yeah.